Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am starting your new chapter of EVS First, chapter number 6, page number 28. Chapter name is Rules Are for Everyone. Can you tell? Some traffic rules. Give reasons why we should obey these rules. Which one of these rules do you feel need to be changed? What other rules do you think are needed for better discipline in traffic? In this picture, some rules are given. That is, one rule is to follow the traffic signal. That is the red light for stop, yellow for slow down, and green for go. Here are other signs which shows the different rules of traffic. If you think that some rules can be changed, should be changed, so you write your answers in your book. We follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. In the same way, there are rules of social life that tells us what each person should be doing. Rules need to be made to specify each person's duty and responsibility. If we follow the rules, our day-to-day life become disciplined, we can work more efficiently. Which means if we make the rules of our life and obey them, our life is so easy and so disciplined. So we have to make some rules of our own life. As the traffic rules we are following, the traffic will move smoothly. As per that, the social or life also having some rules, due to which the life of everyone and the social life are going on very smoothly, or everyone according to their rules doing their duties and performing their responsibilities. Rules are meant for everybody. They apply equally to all. No one is above the rules. Disobeying the rules lead to punishment. There is no discrimination in punishments for breaking the rules. In this way, equality is the basis of rules. In Islam, we have to obey the rules. So, if we disobey these rules, we get the punishment in Akhirat. So, we have to obey the rules of life, the rules of Islam. Next topic, changes in rule for the society. Our society works according to certain rules, which means each and every society having a particular rules which we have to follow. We make the rules ourselves. We follow these rules because they are made for some good reasons. Each and every rule, हर rule एक particular good reason के लिए बनाया जाता है, which we have to follow. Proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for the society. If we need any change in a rules, we have to change for a good reason. There is difference between the rules of society and the laws of nature. The laws of nature. नेचर के लॉस को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट द रूल्स ऑफ सोसाइटी कैन बी चेंज, जिसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. द रूल्स ऑफ सोसाइटी एंड द लॉज ऑफ नेचर एज गिवन बिलो, वी कांट चेंज दैट. Natural occurrence follow rules of nature. We cannot change the laws of nature. The example of that is the rising and setting of the sun. We can't change the rising and setting of the sun because all the control of this is in the hand of Allah, and the change in the season never stops. The law of gravity does not change. The rising and falling of tides, the phases of the moon, all these things occurs according to the law of the nature. Allah gives us a particular environment which can't be changed, which means the law of environment, the law of nature cannot be changed by the humans. It's in under control of Allah. We can't change the law of the nature, but we can change the law of the society, of our own society. Here is a difference in a law of nature and the rules of society. Nature's law are constant and fixed. They do not even become outdated. वो कभी change नहीं होते. They can't change. However, human laws need to be changed with changing conditions. If any condition is changed, the law of the humans can change. The law follows in India under the rule of British were different. When India gained independence, the situation changes and the law of civics life changes accordingly. For example, after independence, the voting age was 21 years. After 1988, the voting age was lowered to 18 years, which means after independence, the laws can be changed by Indian government. For example, the age for voting is 21 years before 1988, and after that it lowered to 18 years, which means the Indian government changed the law because these law of society is under control by them, and we can change the rules according to the good purpose. Can you tell? Here is one picture on page number 29. A girl is here asking one question. Do that question is, don't girls need a nourishing a diet as is given to the boys? At home they feel only my brother needs good food. The girl asking, ये गर्ल पूछ रही है क्या सिर्फ लड़कों के लिए ही अच्छा खाना ज़रूरी है? The teacher answered, people of every age needs nourishing food. टीचर क्या आंसर दे रहा है कि चाहे वो लड़का हो या लड़की, each and everyone needs a nourishing food, which means a nutrition food is needed for everyone. It is girl or a boy. All needs the same type of nourishing food or a nutritious food. Here are some questions based on this picture. How will you ask the girl question? How will you answer the girl's question? In what other ways do you feel there is discrimination between boys and girls? You have to think about the answers according to the picture. It is incorrect to discriminate. This is an answer that is totally incorrect to discriminate between boys and girls. This is the answer for this question. It is unjust to deprive girls of good food to prevent them from going to school, which means हमें लड़कियों को और लड़कों को बराबर मतलब इक्वलिटी के साथ ट्रीट करना चाहिए. We have to treat the boys and girls in an equal manner by without any discrimination, by giving them equal type of food, good food, and to not prevent them for going to school. Both needed the education. If it is a girl or a boy, both needs equal right, and both needs an equal education. Some injustice can also be seen with respect to other section of society. In this picture, below the picture, what injustice do you observed? Here are two pictures. In first picture, the person is sitting here, and this is a poor person asking him that I have written all your money. How can I be in debt? Which means ये आदमी कह रहा है कि मैंने आपके सारे पैसे दे दिया, फिर भी मैं आपके उधारी में कैसे हूँ? Which means कि the interest is on him, which is discriminated, which is injustice for the poor man. Second picture, even though I work without a single holiday in a month, a by saying the ma'am that I am doing my work without taking any holiday. Why do you pay me so little money? Which means this woman paying so little money, so um, which means the lady is not paying her as she is doing a good work in his home without taking any holiday. This is injustice that she have to give her more money or as per the money as she is working. Rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. जो रूल्स बनाए जाते हैं वो किस बेसिस पे बनाए जाते हैं? नो इनजस्टिस इन is done in that. For a good reason, the rules have to be made. Can you tell? A list of rules is given below. Each rule have a specific purpose. Some rules have more than one purpose. Discuss each rule in class under the heading This is what I think. Note down your opinion. Here are different six rules from which today I am explaining two and other four I will explain in next video. First one is prohibition against loudspeakers in public places after 10 o'clock at night. Second one is free primary education for boys and girls. First one, prohibition against loudspeaker in public places after 10 o'clock, which means after 10 o'clock किसी को भी ज़ोर से लाउड स्पीकर में कोई भी चीज़ बजाना अलाउ नहीं है. This is true? Yes, it's true. Under Rule 5 of Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules, use of loudspeaker public address system is restricted. In our India too, it's restricted to create noise pollution or making a loudspeaker noises after 10 o'clock. They can only be used after obtaining permission from any authority or officer authorized by the central government. Which means अगर कोई government institute से हमें permission मिलती है, then we can do that. The loudspeaker or a public address system should not be used at night. रात को हमें करना है ही नहीं without any permission between 10 PM to 6 AM. रात के 10 बजे से सुबह के 6 बजे तक कोई भी लाउड स्पीकर में नॉइजेस क्रिएट करना इज़ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड. इट्स नॉट डन इन आवर सोसाइटी. इट्स प्रोहिबिटेड. Second point is free primary education for boys and girls. As we're talking about the discrimination between boys and girls, it's wrong to discriminate between boys and girls. And here is other point that each and every girl and boy should be freely educated in primary education. Girls and boys will be educated for free in state system. Yes, they will be educated freely in state system. Which are poor, the poor not get the education because they have no money. So the poor section will be paid for their education by giving their free service in government schools. Education is meant to be promote human dignity and offers education opportunities and distribution of wealth. If education is important because the person get different opportunities after education. Education is a fact for bringing changes in individual regardless of gender. एजुकेशन से एक मैच्योरिटी आती है. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू एजुकेट द पुअर पीपल्स फ्रीली. इट मे बी अ बॉय और अ गर्ल. That it's for today. I will continue other point in next video. Thank you.